हेलो एस्पायरेंट्स एंड हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आईएफएस के पॉडकास्ट में। एंड कहते हैं ना कि विकल्प तो बहुत मिलेंगे मगर संकल्प एक ही रखना चाहिए मंजिल तक जाने का। ठीक है दोस्तों, तो आज मैं आपके साथ हूँ प्रतीक्षा सैन, योर ओन एजुकेटर। आप जानते ही होंगे मुझे, ठीक है। सो आज मैं आपके साथ एक बहुत ही अच्छे आप सभी के बीच से आप सभी के दोस्त को इनवाइट कर रही हूँ हमारे साथ अपनी जर्नी शेयर करने के लिए। तो चलिए आज हम रूबरू होते हैं डायरेक्टली जानवी से। अब जानवी जी है कौन? शी इज अ रैंकर इन द सीएसआई नेट एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ 2019 एंड वेरी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में उन्होंने सीएसआर एग्जामिनेशन क्वालिफाई किया था विद अ डायनामिक पर्सनालिटी। व्हाट शी इज डूइंग नाउ, व्हाट वाज हर जर्नी और किस तरह से उन्होंने अपने एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन करी थी, ये सब आज के पॉडकास्ट में मैं, जानवी जी और आप डिस्कस करते हैं। सो लेट्स इंट्रोड्यूस जानवी जी। सो वेलकम जानवी, वेलकम डियर। होप यू आर डूइंग गुड।
Yes, doing great.
Doing great, yes. So let me introduce yourself first of all. So here our special guest is Janvi Mehta. She is a graduate from zoology and a postgraduate with zoology, a specialization in toxicology from University of Baroda. She has cleared examinations CSI NET, Gujarat SET in the very first attempt. This is really very important. Okay, and she is currently pursuing PhD as a research fellow. She is working at University of Baroda, and the topic that she is working on is mechanobiology and effects of acoustics on embryonic development. So without taking much time, let's टॉक टू हर कि किस तरह से उनकी जर्नी रही है, किस तरह से उन्होंने इस एग्जामिनेशन की प्रिपरेशन की थी और कौन कौन से हर्डल्स आए थे, कैसे उन्होंने उसे ओवरकम किया। क्योंकि देखिए, मंजिल और गोल तो बहुत लोग सोचते हैं कि हमें ये करना है, पर उस मंजिल तक कौन जा पाता है और उस जर्नी को कौन एंजॉय कर पाता है, यही सब बातें जानने के लिए चलिए हम जानवी से बात करते हैं। सो हेलो जानवी, हेलो। चलिए हम बेसिक से ही स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं जानवी कि अगर आपने बायोलॉजी लिया था तो क्या आप बहुत ही ब्राइट स्टूडेंट थी?
Firstly, ma'am, thank you for such a generous introduction. And it's always fun to be in a conversation with anyone who's from IFS family. So it's pleasure is all mine. I've been a good student. I've never been a hardworking student.
Okay,
I've
means
never been
like
a first bencher.
okay,
Never.
okay. So मतलब like smart work और hard work, so that was the smart work वाला part.
Yeah, and a bit we can say kamchori as well,
Okay.
because throughout my schooling and even my college, I've been more on stages rather than
Hmm.
being in a classroom in a bench. So I used to be there for a class. I my concentration would be totally in class, but once I'm out of the class, then it's snap off. Then
Oh.
book सिर्फ एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले खुलता है. That's how you prepare, right?
So how did you got the aspiration कि भाई मुझे सीएसआर नेट एग्जामिनेशन प्रिपेयर करना है, जिसमें लाइक अगर हम बात करें तो बहुत ही एलाइट माइंड्स उस चीज़ के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं। सो आपको किस तरह से इंस्पिरेशन मिली कि हाँ मुझे इस एग्जाम को प्रिपेयर करना है, या आपको सीएसआर नेट के बारे में कहाँ से कैसे पता चला?
Yes, ma'am. So, for a student like me who comes from a family where
हम्म।
everybody is into commerce, literature, arts, music,
हम्म।
taking a biology, life science itself is a very different and unique thing to do. So, as I said, schooling and college, I've been into co curricular activities, but I think the aspiration started when I was in my master's, when I
Okay.
was doing my dissertation, because that was, I think, the first time when I was into research, because dissertation is like a mini research, right? You have
Yes.
to just start up everything, and you have long days. Your home literally becomes your lab.
Yes. Like
So
basically you were inclined towards research, you were fascinated towards like यार ये instruments क्या कर रहे हैं, what we are figuring it out. Knowing the
yes.
unknown was really a mystery, right?
Exactly. And I think as a student of life science, I think
Hmm.
you really have a very prominent role to play, not just career wise, but my father also says that you should have a career where you can give something back to society.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah,
Thus,
so
career will not only like prosper you, but definitely it will help the society too. सो लाइक
Exactly.
अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो बहुत ऑप्शंस है ना, लाइक
Right.
हर एक स्टेज पे, लाइक इफ वी डू ग्रेजुएशन ऑल्सो, पोस्ट
Hmm.
ग्रेजुएशन ऑल्सो,
Hmm.
हमारे पास बहुत ऑप्शंस रहते हैं. सो लाइक ड्यूरिंग द डेजिटेशन यू गॉट इनटू लाइक कि मुझे रिसर्च करना है, देन यू फिगर्ड आउट हाउ यू कैन एंटर इनटू दिस रिसर्च फील्ड, राइट?
Yes, yes, yes.
So CSI Net was the best option. Why do you think so?
Yeah, so basically my subject is zoology. So mostly students are into field and just observing new species and everything. But I always found myself fascinated towards lab instruments, how to work with cells, how to work with organisms. And that
Okay.
happened when I was doing my master's in toxicology. So I was working with rats, I was working with fishes, and doing every kind of research and biochemical aspects. And that's where I took guidance from my guide at that point. I also came into contact with some of my seniors. And
Mm-hmm.
then I figured out that if I really want to be in this field, I really want to take up research as a career, CSIR net is a really big entrance or a big gate, which opens up so many other doors after that as well.
Right.
Right? Yeah, so that's where it really was very much prominent in my head that
Okay.
CSIR
Means
net
it
is a
triggered
good.
you that like yes, हम कर सकते हैं. If I target this examination, more doors for opportunities will be opened for me.
Correct.
राइट, डेफिनेटली. तो बेसिकली अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ ड्यूरिंग द प्रिपरेशन, और अगर मैं सोचती भी हूँ कि अगर मुझे सीएसआर नेट प्रिपेयर करना है, जैसा जब आपने सोचा, तो व्हाट वाज द की डिटर्मिनेंट दैट यू थॉट कि स्टूडेंट्स में भी अभी होना चाहिए, जो हमारी डिटर्मिनेशन, कंसिस्टेंसी को बनाए रखे?
I think it really comes from a very strong motivation.
हम्म.
Why you are doing CSIR net? That motivation has to be clear in your head because deciding day, जिस दिन मैंने decide किया, it's very much easy for me for 1 month, for a week to be, really preparing for it or पूरा dedication उसमें देना. But CSIR net, as I always said, is not like a relay race. It's like a marathon.
दैट्स
So we
ट्रू.
have to work like that, right?
यस.
So for that, we want a very prominent motivation that even why we are doing CSIR net. What is the goal behind that? So
राइट, राइट.
CSIR net can be a very important milestone, but goal has to be something bigger than that. Which for
यस.
me was research or getting into a field where I can make up my career and can have a lifestyle and get into a research journey for that matter.
Right. And basically, like, it will open doors not only to research, to assistant professor, even if you are willing to do own, like, even if you are willing to join the private sector, that will also help because it is a well recognized examination in India. So, आपने कहाँ से प्रिपरेशन करी, आपकी क्या जर्नी रही? लाइक यहाँ तो आपने गोल सेट किया, राइट? अब उस गोल को अचीव करने के लिए एक मैराथन रन भागनी
Yes.
पड़ेगी. तो उस
Yes.
मैराथन का साथी कौन रहा आपका?
Yes, so fortunately, I never had this idea that I would go to any institute or work
हाँ
for
जी.
it or anything like that.
हाँ.
But I think it was meant to be. So suddenly there were signs. I was meeting people who has been into IFS. I
Yes.
was guided by a teacher as well, and I thought let's just try it. So what I did just after a day of hectic research, I went back to my home, and I just opened my laptop and just searched on YouTube and just thought about let's see what IFS is all about. And I
Okay.
still remember the very first video that I came across was Casey sir actually teaching a topic of lac operon.
Okay.
Yes, and
Yes, correct.
ironically, that subject or that particular topic I never liked in my entire MSc.
Means you don't like molecular biology.
No, but the basic like operon was a
हाँ.
topic which I never understood thoroughly. That was a
Okay.
problem. If I cannot understand it, then it's something which is a bit difficult to have with.
Yes,
And
yes.
I just saw in within couple of minutes he uh, just dedicated it with opera and opera
Right,
and
right. He has
everything.
taken that
Yes,
complete opera image and all, right?
and that whole thing really, I was sold. I was sold at that point that I want to be a student of this institute and I want to really learn from these tutor. And also, I saw a couple of videos, and each and every tutor was very different and had a very unique style of their own. So you don't even get bored. So with every topic, every subject, because in life science there are 13 different units.
Definitely. And
So you
it
need a
is like,
different
it seems
approach.
to be a huge mountain. Whenever we prepare, it seems
Exactly,
like a huge
exactly.
mountain to us.
Yes, so it's a baggage, and for that you need different people, different perspective, and you have to approach all these 13 units with a different perspective.
Yes.
So that was very much there, and also because I did my masters and it was just during pandemic.
Huh.
So I was anyways learned certain topics through online mode. So that was, I think I decided that I want to go to a offline mode of that, and
Okay.
that's
So,
where I think I decided, and I just discussed it with my family, and everybody was like, yeah, if you have thought about it and if you are dedicated enough for that, you should go for it.
so when did you join the institute basically?
Yeah, so it was just after my master's, 2021. Okay,
Okay.
it was, and that is also a very funny story because
Huh.
I was supposed to go to the Jodhpur branch of it. Okay,
Okay.
and I booked the tickets for Jodhpur.
Acha, everything
Hotel
was for
bookings.
Jodhpur, targeting Jodhpur.
Yes, even bags were packed.
Okay.
टिकट बुक थी, मेरे मम्मी पापा 2 दिन के लिए कहाँ पे रहेंगे वो भी बुक था.
हाँ.
And just a week before, I get a call from the administration that
Hmm.
because of some government permissions,
Hmm.
because it was COVID time,
Right.
पुणे में ही ऑफलाइन जो मोड है वो स्टार्ट हो रहा था,
Okay.
एंड जोधपुर में 1 महीने बाद स्टार्ट हो रहा था.
Hmm.
I was still a bit apprehensive and skeptical that should I go to Pune because it was a bit far from my home. I'm from Gujarat, I'm from Kutch. So it is a
Okay.
bit far-fetched for a student
Right,
like me.
right.
And that's where I
And
think my
that too, even after like Corona coming into something offline was
exactly.
really, parents might be also
Yeah,
concerned.
yeah. So
And
that
Pune is a
was
hot spot, I will say.
exactly. And that's why I was a bit apprehensive. But the moment I discussed it with my family, my grandfather says that, this is the same institute. I'm like, yes. They're like, they're going to be the same tutors. I'm like, yes. Like, you are going to be the same person. I was like, okay. They're like, anyways, you are going far from home. Just cancel the tickets of Jodhpur and get to the Pune. And I
Okay.
was like, okay. And that's how it happened. That's how I
Like
landed
it
in
was a
Pune.
quick decision,
It
right?
was a very quick
So
decision.
like means we plan something, we get into something, and that is definitely a good thing.
Yeah, definitely. And if
And
you're very much sure about something, nothing happens, is
yes,
what I really feel. If you're really
right.
dedicated,
हाँ, अगर आप किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहोगे तो
yeah,
पूरी
yeah.
कयामत
I
आपको
totally
मिलाने की
believe in
कोशिश
that.
जरूर करेगी.
I totally believe in that.
You totally believe in it.
101%.
That's great. That's great. I too believe in it. That definitely, if you are chasing your dream with consistency, with determination, so who can stop you, people? So, like, अगर मैं बात करती हूँ तो आज के समय में जो स्टूडेंट्स सीएसआई नेट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो उनके लिए ऑफलाइन कितना जरूरी है और क्यों ऐसा है, ठीक है? उन बच्चों के लिए, उन एस्पायरेंट्स के लिए आपके कुछ सुझाव?
Definitely. So it has a lot to do with the very first day of institute जब मैं पुणे में आई थी, and I just get myself registered and said कि बाजू में एक रूम है where you will get the material जो भी आपको पढ़ना है 6 महीने के लिए. And I went to this room in Pune Institute, and this room is full of books, okay? And these
Yes.
books literally coming on to me. And I was like कि मैथ्स की होंगी, केमिस्ट्री की होंगी, बहुत ज्यादा illustrations होते हैं. And I asked that I am registered for life sciences and I want that. And they gave me a stack of 15 books, and all of them were this thick. So that what I'm trying to say here is that from that day one, I was into the zone. This is all I have to complete.
Yes.
This is all I not just have to read, but digest and have to develop an appetite for it. Right?
Uh-huh.
So also when you are in an offline mode, what happens? All your senses are actually working. You know. So
So
you
see,
can
like,
interact.
okay, I'll not interrupt you. You please continue, then I'll.
No, sure. So you can interact with the teacher. And what happens between a teacher and student, there is also a chemistry. A teacher, at just looking at your face, can understand whether you've understood it or not.
Yes, that's
Whether your concentration is inside the class or in your phone or into anybody else,
yes.
you are directly called off whenever it's an offline.
And definitely a one-to-one interaction will give you a sense of satisfaction, and more importantly one-to-one interaction में हमारे जो silly doubts या mistakes रहते हैं हम बहुत अच्छे से clear out कर पाते हैं.
Yes, yes. And even there are certain students who can't even convey their questions.
Yes.
But a teacher can directly read their face and can understand कि इसको नहीं समझा.
Yes,
तो
yes.
वो repeat करेंगे वो चीज़, right?
Right.
So that is anyways going to be an offline medium.
यस एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट कि लाइक हमने बोला कि अब आप गुजरात से पुणे आए तो सी देखो घर से इतना दूर आना है ना तो घर से पहली बात तो इतना दूर आना फिर एडजस्ट करना एंड देयर इज एन नंबर ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शंस so how you channelized your energy towards your preparation rather than keeping away from the distractions how was that possible see we cannot say कभी भी कोई भी ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता that there are no distractions definitely and moving away from family and then just picking up yourself and then preparing for something how was that and what you will tell to the students to how to do it how to avoid the distractions and all
Hmm. So I think distraction, whether even you are at home, it has its own distractions. Okay.
right
So distractions kahin pe bhi ho sakte hain. For a student like me, I was 17 when I moved out of my
hmm.
house. I was living except from my family, and I was in Vadodara for 5 years. For me, it was difficult because I was going out of a state for a whole year. Okay.
Hmm.
For just avoiding the distraction, first has to be a very strong motivation. Secondly, you have to surround yourself with the people who are dedicated towards the same goal.
goal that's very
Who,
true
yes, who are giving positivity in your life, who are making, who are inspiring to you on each and every day.
like
And
basically
luckily, IFS is full of that people, right?
राइट मतलब यार मेरी रूममेट तो 4 AM पे उठकर पढ़ती है तो आई शुड लाइक मुझे भी गिल्ट हो जाएगा एटलीस्ट वेक अप बाय
Exactly.
5 6
And that is what happened me, that is what channelized me. यहाँ के teachers, यहाँ के students, everybody is related with CSIR net, everybody has gone through the same journey.
फेज
And when you are in that class of 60 people, 100 people, everybody is working for the same thing.
यस
Everybody is dedicating these many hours for a particular target. So all of them are, in a way, your competition. In a way,
राइट
if you can take it positively,
they
they
are
are
your
your inspiration.
inspiration right they
Exactly.
are your inspiration and
Yeah.
basically it brings us that like I will say वो जुनून लेकर आता है कि यार ये 5 घंटे बैठ सकता है 6 घंटे बैठ सकता है
Most
पढ़
definitely.
सकता है इतने कंसंट्रेशन के साथ सो वेयर आई एम लैकिंग
Yes, exactly.
the
And in
environment
IFS, yes, after the class, 1:30 in the afternoon classes are over, and after the lunch, the same class is converted into library. So you are supposed to sit there up till night and revise everything which has been taught on that day. So when I came in Pune, in my head it was like I'm not going to talk to anyone. It will be just one goal. I would be reading all
okay
of that. I was with that attitude. Okay.
okay
And ironically, I made the most amazing friends in Pune. I
that's
have to
great
admit it. I have to admit it.
yeah so like in the journey you will enjoy the journey
Exactly.
you will
Dada
enjoy
sir
the
was,
journey you will
yeah,
learn you will achieve your goal plus you will live the journey I will say
exactly. Dada sir, who is managing the whole Pune offline branch,
Hmm.
always used to say through our procedure that you have to live and enjoy the journey. The process is important,
yes
and
that's
that is the most crucial and important thing. Most
and in the process definitely you will achieve
yes.
so अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो CSR नेट क्लियर करने से पहले और क्लियर करने के बाद
Hmm.
what is the difference you feel you as a person and other individuals for you
Hmm. So the most obvious part is having a lot of understanding and knowledge about your subject.
hmm.
That is the most prominent and basic part because CSIR is not just an exam. अगर 6 महीने तक या 1 साल तक you are preparing for that, you are really strong with your subject, and you should be because you want to make a career into that subject.
yes
So that basic knowledge, whether you are choosing academics, whether you are choosing research, the base has to be strong. So that is the first and foremost plus point of that. Second thing, as a person, there are so many things that has changed after the preparation, or I can say after coming to IFS Pune
okay
Institute, which is I learned consistency and time management. आई
yes
कैन से हमेशा कॉलेज में मेरी फ्रेंड्स मुझे कहते थे कि तुम
हाँ
सिर्फ इतना पढ़ती हो और तुम्हें डिस्टिंक्शन आ जाता है, अगर ज्यादा पढ़ती तो क्या होता.
right
एंड आई थिंक दैट व्हाट हैपेंड. जब मैंने ज्यादा पढ़ा तो
हाँ
CSIR नेट हुआ.
yes you were really very good student definitely we were involved so like you have cleared the CSR net examination the
Yes.
Gujarat set examination in the very first attempt
Yes.
डेफिनेटली उस पीडीएफ में जब हम अपना नाम देखते हैं तो बहुत ही ज्यादा खुशी होती है. जितना
Sure.
भी हमने डे एंड नाइट वी हैव स्टडीड, वी हैव लाइक देयर आर सम लो डेज, देयर आर सम हाई डेज, इवन टॉकिंग अबाउट द वीकली टेस्ट ना,
Yeah.
इट इवन डिसअपॉइंट्स अस.
Yes, definitely. But consistency is important. ये 6 के 6 महीने, I consistently woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock, I would be there in class. I will have chai and khakra breakfast every
Okay.
day. That is also has been
That's a typical
consistent.
Gujarati thing.
I'm a Gujarati. I'm a Jain Gujarati. I have to have my khakra, right?
Okay.
So that has also been consistent. Class में कौन सा bench में मेरा कौन सा जगह है, that is also decided. So
Okay.
nobody can sit there. It was a rule.
That is pre-decided, like.
That is pre-decided. Nobody can sit at my place. Okay.
That's fine.
So yeah.
So what,
So
like, that is your study plan for the aspirants या जो भी अब हमें इंटरेक्ट करते हुए देख रहे हैं, आपसे जो भी एस्पायर हो रहे हैं, उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आपको क्या लगता है क्या एक परफेक्ट स्टडी प्लान होगा?
I think the first thing to make your strategy is to see where you are standing. तो जैसे ही आप डिसाइड करते हो कि मुझे CSIR नेट करना है, just take a paper CSIR नेट का जो लास्ट है, just see how much you can attempt. So the first and foremost step is to have a self realization कि भाई मैं कहाँ हूँ, मुझे कितना आता है और मुझे कितना करना है.
Yes.
If you know कि मुझे यहाँ पे पहुंचना है, you have to see कि आप अभी कहाँ पे हो.
Right.
Then you can decide कि कौन सी जगह से जाना है, बाय रोड जाना है, फ्लाइट लेना है, ट्रेन लेना है, right?
Yes. It is like हमारा पीछे क्या था? Where
Exactly.
we are standing, what are our
Where we are
concepts? From
Exactly.
where we have to start. And
Yes.
definitely 6 months are more than enough to begin even from zero.
Definitely. Even if you are at minus now, you can
Wow.
start.
See, like,
Even if you are at
the
minus.
person who has gone through the same is telling you the same. If wherever you stand, 6 months are more than enough to target the examination.
Definitely.
The only thing you require will be a complete dedication towards the examination. So, like, अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ कोई एक सक्सेस मंत्रा, ठीक है, जो आपका रहा है, जो आप हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, हमारे व्यूअर्स के साथ शेयर करोगे कि ये डेफिनेटली एक सक्सेस मंत्रा हो सकता है जिससे आप CSIR नेट एग्जामिनेशन क्वालिफाई कर सकते हैं, और ये मेरा भी रहा है.
So on a psychological basis, my parents have already always told me there can be 3 Ds for your success. One is determination, dedication, and discipline. So you have to determine something that I want to do this. You have to put all of your energy and everything, time into what you are doing. So dedication has to be there and discipline. जो भी करना है उसका एक प्लान होना चाहिए, टाइम टेबल होना चाहिए, एक रूटीन होना चाहिए, एंड दैट यू हैव टू डू. कि एग्जाम के 1 महीने पहले 12 घंटे पढ़ा नहीं होने वाला.
राइट.
6 महीने पहले से 6 घंटे पढ़ो, इट विल हैपन.
यस. सी, यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट बात बोली है जानवी ने कि अगर आप 1 महीने पहले पढ़ेंगे तो नहीं हो पाएगा. इट्स नॉट आर सिंपल एग्जामिनेशन, ठीक है, कि पढ़ के लिख कर आ गए. नहीं, आपको डे बाय डे हर एक दिन ध्यान रखिएगा आपकी प्रिपरेशन में हर एक मिनट, हर एक सेकंड ऐड ऑन हो रहा है जो आपका फाइनल रिजल्ट देगा. सो वाई, लाइक, अगर मैं बात करती हूँ जानवी, तो यू वुड डेफिनेटली, आपकी बातों से तो पता चल रहा है दैट यू विल रिकमेंड स्टूडेंट्स टू द IFS कैंपस. सो व्हाई सो?
एग्जैक्टली. सो ये एग्जाम है, फर्स्ट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू क्लियर योर सब्जेक्ट, जो कि बहुत अच्छे से आपका क्लास में होगा, एनवायरनमेंट प्रोवाइड होगा, सराउंडिंग्स है, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट कि एग्जाम है वो नॉर्मल कॉलेज जैसा नहीं है कि क्वेश्चन पूछा एंड यू हैव टू राइट. It is a very different pattern in CSIR. There are 3 different types, 3 different A, B and C part. उसके जो क्वेश्चन है वो गिवन टाइम में उस क्वेश्चन के मार्क में हाउ यू हैव टू अप्लाई योर नॉलेज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड फॉर दैट IFS हैज दीज वीकली टेस्ट्स, राइट? दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उससे क्या होता है, यू नो हाउ टू मैनेज टाइम इन योर पेपर. क्योंकि 6 महीने पढ़ा है, 1 साल पढ़ा है, and everything you have to apply in those 3 hours.
Yes, that is the thing. That is the game, I will say. That
exactly.
is the game.
And IFS prepares you for that. When you do the same thing every week, every Sunday आप 3 घंटे में वो चीज को अप्लाई कर रहे हो, वो कर रहे हो, now it has become a practice tool.
Yes.
तो आज भी अगर मैंने 4-5 महीने से कोई पेपर सॉल्व नहीं किया, पर आज भी अगर मुझे कोई CSIR का पेपर दे रहे हो, मैं एलिस तो निकाल ही लूंगी.
Yes, see
You
the
know,
confidence.
yes, yes,
And that is the thing which will be provided at the offline platform, the
definitely.
confidence.
Definitely.
And
And
देखिए
another important thing I would like to mention here is that you have to store everything in your long-term memory. Okay. जब एवरी संडे को एग्जाम होता था, व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स यूज्ड टू डू, फ्राइडे सैटरडे को अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे
Yes.
और संडे को एग्जाम देंगे. अब क्या हो रहा है, फ्राइडे सैटरडे को पढ़ रहे हो, सब कुछ शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी में स्टोर हो रहा है, और संडे को जाके पेपर में वी आर वॉमिटिंग दैट. It should not happen like that. What I used to do, Monday to Thursday, I would read everything thoroughly. पर संडे को जो टेस्ट है उसका I used to never read on Friday, Saturday.
Okay, means like
So मेरे yeah,
one day उसका लेक्चर अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करा, सेकंड डे का लेक्चर,
Yes.
and then you used to re-revise the notes itself.
yes, yes. Work on every day. आज जो टॉपिक पढ़ा उसका आज ही रिवीजन हुआ, उसके क्वेश्चंस आज ही सॉल्व हुए, उसके डाउट्स आज ही क्लियर हुए. अब
Yes.
उसका वीकली रिवीजन नेक्स्ट वीक होगा, इस संडे में उसका रिवीजन नहीं होगा.
ओके, मीन्स लाइक आप बैठिए आराम से पढ़िए लाइब्रेरी में, अगर आपको कुछ
Yes.
डाउट है तो आप जाकर डाउट भी पूछ लो 1-to-1.
Yes,
Simple
because
सा फंडा
faculty is
रहेगा.
always there. Faculty is always there. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि किसी का 2 घंटे लेक्चर है, वो सर 2 घंटे पढ़ा के दोपहर को चले गए.
हाँ,
हमारे बाद भी 8 बजे तक everybody would be there, right?
राइट.
So everybody is there for you. It's just you जिसको पता होना चाहिए कि मुझे कहाँ से कितना ड्रॉ करना है, right?
यस.
So that is really important. So
Okay.
short term memory में नहीं, सब long term memory में store करना है. So for that, revision is important, weekly plan is important. And what an interesting thing I used to do is that because everyday motivation is very difficult. हर बार वो मोटिवेट करना खुद को really difficult. कितना भी आप dedicated हो, it's not going to happen. I used to make smaller goals for myself, and I used to give myself incentive after that goal is achieved.
ओके.
Right. So it can be anything. It can be my favorite, going to watch a film, going with friends for dinner. मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं बोल सकती कि जब मैंने प्रिपेयर किया है तो वो 6 महीने मैंने बहुत कुछ सेक्रीफाइस किया. It is not like that. I have enjoyed that time.
यस.
पर उस चीज को पाने के लिए I have done मेहनत, उसको मैंने कमाया है.
यस.
एक मूवी देखने के लिए 3 घंटे की मैंने 5 दिन अच्छे से पढ़ा है. So then
ये इम्पोर्टेंट बात है.
yes, yes.
मतलब लाइक अगर हम कुछ अच्छा कर पा रहे हैं तो ही हम एक लेजर टाइम, एक प्लेजर टाइम निकालें.
Yes.
Otherwise, like it should be not coming free. Otherwise, we will not value it. है ना?
Exactly,
So basically, all these things helped you to clear the examination in your very first attempt.
Most definitely.
As well as I will say कि आपको रैंक लाने में भी अच्छी like help किया है. Not only CSIR नेट एग्जामिनेशन, स्टेट एग्जामिनेशन, बेसिकली आप गुजरात से तो आपका गुजरात का एग्जामिनेशन भी सेट क्वालिफाई हो गया था.
Yes.
एक बहुत अच्छी जर्नी रही आपकी IFS के साथ. एक कोई मेमोरेबल मोमेंट जो हमेशा आपको याद रहेगा विद IFS, और अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ ड्यूरिंग योर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द जर्नी, नॉट नेसेसरी विद द इंस्टीट्यूट बट ड्यूरिंग योर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ जर्नी, जो आपको हमेशा याद रहेगा और जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को हमेशा मोटिवेट करते रहे कि कुछ भी हो जाए हमें आगे बढ़ते रहना है.
Yeah, so there are so many, but the first which comes to my mind right now you asked is that it is शायद पहले महीने की बात है. It was the very first month in IFS, और लंच के बाद हम लाइब्रेरी में बैठते हैं पढ़ने के लिए. अब लंच किया है, खाना खाया है, दोपहर का टाइम है, तो किसी को भी नींद आएगी, बट ऑब्वियस.
राइट.
So I was just ऐसे हेड डाउन करके I was sleeping on a bench, और शायद 2 या 3 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ होगा, and suddenly Dada sir walks in the class, okay, and he just ऐसा taps on the bench, और मैं ऐसा जाग जाती हूँ. Okay, so this is a very small thing, but उसके बाद मैं कभी भी दोपहर को लाइब्रेरी में बेंच पे सर रख के नहीं सोई.
Yes. See.
So it's a very small thing.
Right.
It really changes, you know, how you see it. और मैंने बोला था सर को कि सर सिर्फ 2 मिनट ही हुए हैं मैं सोई. And sir was like, ये 2 मिनट से ना एक मार्क से JRF छूट जाता है.
Yes.
And that is where you realize that, you know, every minute counts, every second counts.
Right. Every minute, every second counts for your preparation.
Yes.
And this is the push that you can get here, right?
डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली आपके जो फैकल्टी हैं
हाँ
वो आप सभी पर, और ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ मुझे, ऑन ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट हैड द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ डेडिकेशन फॉर देम. तो अगर किसी फैकल्टी को हम सबके लिए इतना डेडिकेशन है, व्हाई कांट वी हैव द सेम फॉर आवर ओन सेल्व्स?
यस, सो दैट इटसेल्फ मोटिवेट्स यू यार कि हाँ हम कर लेंगे, हमें करना चाहिए.
Most definitely, most definitely. So
ओके जानवी,
faculty,
सो
my friends, the surroundings has really. So I never say कि मैंने clear किया है. Okay, I have a lot of gratitude towards each and everybody who's been a part of my journey. Starting from the friends, IFS, administration even. क्योंकि पेपर को सेट करना, उनका आंसर देना, नोटिस बोर्ड पे लगाना कि किसके कितने मार्क्स हुए हैं, all these things are really important.
yes, and it gives us a competition wali feeling also,
Yeah.
and like motivation wali feeling also, like we have to do. It gives us a push basically.
Yeah, healthy competition.
Yes, a healthy competition.
हाँ, और
So
लास्ट जो मंथ था, आई थिंक देयर वर 10-15 पीपल. वी वर नॉट इवन टॉकिंग कि हमें नेट क्लियर करना है. वी वर
right.
डूइंग प्रिपरेशन कि हमें रैंक लेना है. कौन सा रैंक आएगा इज इम्पोर्टेंट. That's how
Oh,
we were preparing. So, you get that goal, that rush, that confidence. कि,
yes,
that is how you have to prepare. You are not settling just for LS or JRF.
you're settling for a rank.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes,
That's
so
important.
that's it. That's it, Janvi. I think we really have interacted for a good amount of time right now, and we should stop here. Definitely. See, dear students, she has taken out time for us. So thank you so much, Janvi. We really feel highly gratitude towards you, so that you have given your time, you have given your experience to our amazing viewers. And इसी तरह हम फिर से कनेक्ट करेंगे जानवी जी से. फिर से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स की डिमांड रही तो डेफिनेटली कनेक्ट करेंगे. और अभी के लिए हम यही रुक जाते हैं जानवी. योर जर्नी इज अमेजिंग एंड क्लियरिंग एट द वेरी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. दैट्स रियली हैट्स ऑफ. ठीक है, बिकॉज हाँ आपने इनपुट दिया है, आपने उतनी मेहनत की है. सो यहाँ रुकते हैं अभी हम.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Pleasure is all mine. And
Okay.
even I can help even one student in any of the aspect. It will be a great pleasure for me. So yeah.
Sure. And even if any students have any doubts, they can simply comment in this comment section also. कि अगर आपको कुछ जानना है, जानवी, I think you will be seeing the video, तो definitely you will pinning up your comments to help them.
Definitely, most definitely, always there.
Okay, so here we end. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
So before ending, तो ये तो एक पॉडकास्ट की बात की हमने, जिसमें हमने जानवी से बात की है. आगे ऐसे और भी पॉडकास्ट आते रहेंगे. ऐसे ही इंस्पिरेशन वाले जो स्टोरीज हैं, जो आपको मोटिवेट कर सकती हैं, जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प कर सकती है, उन्हें हम इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाते रहेंगे. यस डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो जुड़िए हमारे साथ. यू कैन जॉइन अस ऑफलाइन ऑन पुणे ब्रांच एज वेल एज एट जोधपुर ब्रांच. इसी डेडिकेशन, डिटर्मिनेशन, कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ आपकी रैंक आराम से आ जाएगी. आपका CSR नेट आराम से प्रिपेयर हो जाएगा. गोल आपका है, तैयारी हमारे साथ कीजिए. And IFS, well learning means success. भूलिए मत. Thank you so much everyone and happy learning.